Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 4.1, question number 5. In an adjacent figure, the triangle ABC is right angled at C and DE perpendicular to AB. DE, DE perpendicular to AB. Prove that triangle ABC and triangle ADE are similar, and hence find the length of AE and DE. Now, question number 5. Here, in triangle ABC and triangle ADE, the angle A is common for both. Angle A is equal angle A, and angle ACB is equal angle ACB equal to angle DEA, angle AED, both are 90. Therefore by AA similarity, AA the triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE, we proved. Next, in similar triangle ABC and ADE, we can write you can write the ratios AB over AD, AB over AD. Here AB over AD, AB is opposite to 90 degree, that opposite angle C. Also AD is opposite to 90 degree angle E. AD is equal BC over ED, further equal AC over AE. Here these are the ratios are equal. Now let us put the values. Here AB is, we know that AB is a right triangle and BC is 12 and AC is 5. So 12 square plus 5 square is 169, and AB is a hypotenuse, which is equal square root of 169 is 13. AB is 13 over AD is 3, equal BC is 12 given over BC is 12 over we need ED. ED is ED. We will find now. ED equal AC. Look at this AC. AC is 3 plus 2 is 5. Over AE we have to find. Now from this first two ratios we can find 13 ED, 13 DE you can write. 13 DE equal 12 into 3. Therefore DE equal 36 over 13. DE we got, that is ED is 36 over 13. We have to find what DE we found. Next, another, these two ratios we can write this 13 over 3 is 5 over AE. 13 over 3 equal 5 over AE. Therefore AE equal 5 into 3 over 13. Therefore, AE equal 15 over A equal 15 over 13. Now we got the unknown things. Now question number 6. An adjacent figure is this adjacent figure. A triangle ACB is similar to APQ. If BC is 8, PQ is 4, and BA is 6.5 centimeters, and AP is 2.8, find CA and AQ. Here we will fill the values in the figure. BC is 8, BC is 8, PQ is 4, PQ is 4, and BA is 6.5, and AP is 2.8. Now we'll write the similarities. In triangle ACB and APQ, you can write BC over PQ, BA over AQ, and CA over AP. Now BC is 8 over BC over PQ, PQ is 4, equal BA is 6.5 over AQ is AQ, and CA is CA over, and AP is 2.8. Now regarding this, we can write first two sets, that is 8 by 4 is 6.5 over AQ. Therefore, we can write AQ equal 6.5 into 4 by 8, here cut by 2, which 6.5 by 2 is 6.5 by 2 equal 3.25 centimeter is AQ. Now other two set of ratios, BA over this these two things, 8 by 4 over CA by 8. Next is 8 over 4 equal CA over 2.8. Therefore, now CA is cross multiplying 8 by 4 into 2.8. Cut by it is 2. We have 2.82 is 5.6 centimeter. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.